What is the difference between re.search and re.match? What is the difference between the search and match functions in the Python re module? I've read the documentation, current documentation, but I never seem to remember it. I keep having to look it up and relearn it. I'm hoping that someone will answer it clearly with examples so that, perhaps, it will stick in my head. Or at least I'll have a better place to return with my question and it will take less time to relearn it.
Re.match is anchored at the beginning of the string. That has nothing to do with new lines, so it is not the same as using in the pattern. As the re.match documentation says, if 0 or more characters at the beginning of string match the regular expression pattern, return a corresponding match object instance. Return none if the string does not match the pattern. Note that this is different from a zero-length match. Note, if you want to locate a match anywhere in string, use search instead. Re.search searches the entire string, as the documentation says. Scan through string looking for a location where the regular expression pattern produces a match, and return a corresponding match object instance. Return none if no position in the string matches the pattern. Note that this is different from finding a zero-length match at some point in the string. So if you need to match at the beginning of the string, or to match the entire string, use match. It is faster. Otherwise use search. The documentation has a specific section for match versus search that also covers multi-line strings. Python offers two different primitive operations based on regular expressions. Match checks for a match only at the beginning of the string, while search checks for a match anywhere in the string. This is what Perl does by default. Note that match may differ from search even when using a regular expression beginning with caret. Caret matches only at the start of the string, or in multi-line mode also immediately following a new line. The match operation succeeds only if the pattern matches at the start of the string regardless of mode, or at the starting position given by the optional pos argument regardless of whether a new line precedes it. Now, enough talk. Time to see some example code.
Search finds something anywhere in the string and return a match object. Match finds something at the beginning of the string and return a match object.
Match is much faster than search, so instead of doing regex.search word, you can do regex.match word, and gain tons of performance if you are working with millions of samples. This comment from @Ivan_Bilan under the accepted answer above got me thinking if such hack is actually speeding anything up. So let's find out how many tons of performance you will really gain. I prepared the following test suite. I made 10 measurements, 1 meter, 2 meters, 10 meters words, which gave me the following plot. As you can see, searching for the pattern Python is faster than matching the pattern Python. Python is smart. Avoid trying to be smarter.
Re.search searches for the pattern throughout the string, whereas re.match does not search the pattern. If it does not, it has no other choice than to match it at start of the string.
You can develop your strategy.